Welcome back to Seagull's Mazda 323 channel, and it's just a quick update here tonight. So we're at the end of this week and I've slowly put through some more orders for more parts on the engine rebuild. I'm trying my best tonight to get the engine head as clean as possible because I'm going to have someone take a look at it for me tomorrow morning, and I'll do a little video on that as well because they'll have a lot of helpful information to share and pass on as well, to consider if you're doing the same thing or if you're looking to freshen up your head and clean it up, or do a head gasket. So I'll crack on and just show you basically where we're at and some of the things that I've got ordered and coming as well. So slowly collecting everything I need. I've got the VRS DuraPro head gasket set, regrind set, so that'll be very handy. Head bolts, camshaft and crankshaft bearings, and then a whole heap of other parts that will need to be tidied up as well. I'm looking at getting another alternator and power steering pump for this engine, so it's just, that's the block there sitting. I'm going to crack on with that. I'm pricing up a new oil pump as well for this one, and I want to crack into this shortly and start tearing this down a little bit more, because I've got piston heads coming, intake and exhaust valves as well. They're on their way, so I've got to just start getting the last few little things together to keep this going. So, but tonight the main focus is getting the head as clean as possible so I can go and have that tested tomorrow, and then looked into getting other things done and clean this completely, and then have the camshaft. I'm going to keep this one stock but just have it cleaned as well. The same place I'll go to tomorrow who specializes in head redressing. Now, while we're on the subject of all this stuff here at the moment, I may as well just sort of let you know that I have been consulting with certain workshop wizards, and one in particular who shall be unnamed at this stage until I have a further consultation with this person if they want to make a guest appearance on the channel. Leave a comment if you think that is something you want to see. So basically this is how I get down. I use kerosene, old toothbrushes, a straw cleaner because it's a little bit softer, and I get in there. And as you can see from how I first showed it, how really yuck it was, I've got this looking a hell of a lot cleaner, and that is largely thanks to the upper engine Nulon Pro Strength Cleaner. Oh my seagulls and hot chips, that stuff is so good. Get it, it works. Now, as you can see, it needs a little bit more work, and I'm going to do my absolute best to clean this up tonight because, yeah, I don't really like handing over kind of dirty stuff, and the cleaner it is, probably the more likely you're going to see any faults that are evident. And as I said, this is going to go off for some testing tomorrow just to make sure that this is definitely the right direction we're heading. But yeah, so far the signs are looking pretty good. And as I did mention, I have consulted in a few workshop wizards, so I will be talking to them more over the coming days. And let's see what happens. Maybe some people may be coming in as guest appearances. Alright, take it easy, stay tuned, like, subscribe, you know the dealio.